Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. I'm Danny Le Soleil and today we will be making baked chicken. Yes, so please stay tuned for the video. So please be sure to clean your chicken. I've soaked my chicken overnight in cold water, lemon juice, salt, vinegar, and I think that's it. I'm also going to pluck out any feathers and pat the chicken dry as well. Now, you're going to see me use a lot of seasonings in this recipe, but you can use whatever you want to. The ultimate ingredient is Italian dressing, so go crazy with the seasonings. I like my chicken to be a little bit seasoned, so. And just a tip, you all, you can smell your food and kind of predict what it's going to taste like. So as you'll see later on in the video, I added more seasonings, but that's because after I put all of these seasonings on this chicken, I still wasn't smelling what I needed to smell. So I had to go back in and spruce it up a little bit. And I always drizzle a little olive oil on my chicken just so that the seasonings can stick better. And you're just gonna rub that in very, very well. Okay, now it's time for the star ingredient, the Italian dressing. Now usually I do not go off brand with this one. I don't know what the other brands taste like, so I'm just going to use this one. And I marinated this overnight. You can do it 1 to 2 hours is fine for those who can't really wait, but I did mine overnight and it always comes out wonderful. Next, I'm just going to put my chicken in the pan. I always fold that part of the wing behind the drumstick so that it would be more room in the pan. And at this point, make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees and you want to check on it at about 40 minutes. I checked on mine in about 40 minutes. And yeah. Depending on how you like your chicken, you might want to keep it in there longer than 40 minutes, like I did, but to each his own. And I also just pour a little bit of Italian dressing at the bottom of the pan to keep the chicken from being dry. You don't want to pour too much, but you just want to pour some to keep the chicken moist. And this is the product after 40 minutes. And this is me struggling trying to spoon the dressing over the chicken. So yeah, you might want to stop here. This might be the desired product you want, but I like my chicken a little bit more crispy. So what I did was I put it in low broil, but you really want to watch it because it's very easy to burn on broil. And I think it took about 15 to 20 minutes, but I watched it. Do not walk away from that stove when you put your chicken on broil. And this is how it came out, you guys. Nice and crispy and fall off the bone. Everything you would want in some baked chicken, okay? But thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. Thank you.